Comrades and friends, how are you? There is a picture which is circulating, doing rounds, where we see Minister Mona and Minister Garu visiting a patient in hospital. Aine card box rakasungwa nesellotape. 45 years after independence, after paitika tsaona, in a highway that was supposed to have been jewelized, mafanza akatoreliswa asa isati yagadzirwa. Pane mahelicopters akadonetwa unzi pakaitwa tsaona vanhu vagona unobatsirwa unotakura vanhu unosiya kumahospitals. But that did not happen. Why? Incompetence and corruption. Mahelicopters iwayo ariko ari kutoshanda ari kutakura vanhu achichaja mafigures makuru asi asi kubatsira a common person like you and me. And we don't want that. A country with more than 60 minerals, munhu anopinda muhospital oisirwa card box nesellotape. Minister or driver, two minister or driver ma-VX avo ma-300 series ma-200 series. Anditika kunoona murwere iyoyo 45 years after independence, and they still see that as something which is normal. A country whereby corrupt people are celebrated by the papers, by social media, atenga jet, atenga motikari 1.2 million with proceeds from corruption, whilst people suffer and languish in abject poverty. Then you hear someone saying Zimbabwe is one of the best regions in southern region. Then you hear that same minister talking about 2030. Nditaure kuti patinosuka 2030 inenge ichiri nyika ere. Tine tisati tafanana ere navanhu vari kuSudan vakomana. Nhamo yacho zvinenge zvichikupa a good picture ere. So this is why we are saying when it comes to 2030, inini personally I am not in support of that. And what I am currently waiting for now is signal chete. Signal ichitongoya vakomana. Chiro zvaita kwese kufa vakomana. Something needs to be done because the poverty, the mismanagement of national resources in this country, it's just too much. Muzvipatara hamuna mushonga. Unorapwa zvine musoro here wamboisirwa card box nesellotape. Minister achibvapo ipapo vaenda mu5-star hotel negirlfriend rake akubva wanakirwa. Vene. Iwo uchinyora masero uri paground wopuwa 2 cups dzepfumvudza. Wonzi imba 2030. Ini nhangu ipapo handipengi, handipusi ndakura. What we're just waiting for is a signal. And inini personally ndinoda not to term extension. Next president that I'm supporting, hangu personally, ndachiwenga muswere zvakanaka.